How to use the data puller. Before you can use the data puller, there are certain IRB requirements that need to be met. You can only use the data puller with an IRB number. You must also be on the study team for the provided IRB number. And you can only extract data elements you are approved for. Limit your data elements. Ask for as limited a data set as possible. The more patients, the more data categories, and the larger the date window, the larger the final file. Too large of a file may not be extractable from i2b2, so sometimes several pulls will be needed. How to use the data puller. To be able to extract data for a certain query, click on Patient List before running the query. If this were a query I want to pull data for, what I'm going to do is click on Run Query and make sure to check off Patient List. Open the data puller, which can be found at the top right of the i2b2 page. Choose the correct query and enter the appropriate IRB number. Choose which data elements you would like to be extracted, download the file, and use the password provided. After the file is extracted, the first tab includes a link to the wiki page in case there's any output you may not understand. If you have any questions, please contact CTSI Data at wakehealth.edu.